Already we have completed exercise 7.3. Now let us go to the next topic, that is inequalities in a triangle. Now in that there are three theorems given. First of all, let us learn that first. First is theorem 7.6. If two sides of a triangle are unequal, then the angle opposite to the longer side is longer and shorter side is shorter. Now first of all, in a triangle, if two sides are unequal, so I have drawn a triangle in which AB, BC and AC all are of different measures. This is 4 centimeter, this is 6 centimeter and this is 5 centimeter. Now as per our theorem, it says if two sides are unequal, so here all sides you can see are unequal only. So now if you observe here, BC is the largest side. That means BC is greater than AB and BC is greater than AC also. So BC is greater than AB and BC is greater than AC. So opposite to BC is which angle? Angle A. That means angle A is greater than angle C and angle A is greater than angle B. Why? Because opposite to AC is angle B. Now next theorem is theorem 7.7. These theorems are very important in further studies, also use of this will come. See now theorem 7.7. In any triangle, the side opposite to the larger angle is larger. Exactly you can say it is opposite. That is, in last theorem we studied if side is greater, its opposite angle is greater. Now exactly inverse, if angle is greater, its opposite side is greater. So here I have drawn an obtuse angle triangle. So it will be very clear to you. In this you can see angle B is greater than A and C because angle B is obtuse angle. So here angle B is greater than angle A and angle B is greater than angle C also. So angle B is greater than angle A and angle B is greater than angle C. Opposite to angle B is which side? AC. Therefore AC is greater than, opposite to angle A is BC. So AC is greater than BC and similarly AC is greater than AB also. So theorem 7.6 and 7.7 are just converse of each other. Now theorem 7.8. The sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Whenever you add any two sides measurement in a triangle, it is always greater than third side. If it is not like that, then triangle will not be formed only. Now here again I have taken same triangle 4, 5 and 6. So this theorem says that if we add any two side, means if I add 4 plus 5, so you can see 4 plus 5 is 9. So 9 is greater than 6. Similar way 6 plus 5, 11 is greater than 4. And similar way 4 plus 6, 10 is greater than 5. So that is AB plus BC is greater than AC. AB plus AC is greater than BC and BC plus AC is greater than AB. That is 4 plus 6 greater than 5, 4 plus 5 greater than 6 and 6 plus 5 is greater than 4. So this is theorem 7.8. This everything you have to write in your classwork notebook properly.